Today we're going through how to improve and engage your employees using QR codes with your training and development.
So if you want to break the Da Vinci Code on how to make a successful e-learning program or online course, we got a free masterclass link below in the description. Go check it out. Thank you so much for being here at the eLearning Partners channel. So QR codes and training. The first thing is presentations. When you are training as a subject matter expert your employees through presentations, one great thing that you can do is add a QR code. Now, why would they do that, Johnny?
Because then it makes it interactive. Because you're doing that presentation, you take that phone out and you're like, take that photo, go interact. And then it takes you to that LMS where you can learn more, or that YouTube video where you can learn more, or that micro-learning video where you can learn more.
Or you could also use the QR code to have your learners download something, interact with something, do a survey. There's so many things that you could use during a presentation with QR codes. The
next thing is
what?
Specific area training. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that if you're in a warehouse or if you are in a manufacturing space and you need to learn something about what you're doing, we can put a QR code on the wall. And when you scan that QR code, it's going to take you into the LMS, and in the LMS, you're going to scan it, it's going to go to the LMS, and you're going to learn what you need to do to achieve that task that you're supposed to be doing.
All right, he ran out of breath, everybody. Yes, to sum that up, is that in a manufacturing facility, you could have multiple different rooms, and every single room has different equipment or different training respective to those rooms. So with this QR code, when your learners scan it, it will go to that specific training for that specific room.
Open up that talent card.
Equipment, so your learners don't have to
learn that talent
through
card.
Everything. The third and final thing is e-learning.
So this could be a part of an authored e-learning that you have created. This could be part of a video e-learning that you've created. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be in the video, it could be in the authoring, it could be whatever it is, and then you scan it inside, and that allows you to download something on your phone. This really allows you to interact with your training, with your learning and development, your training and development with your mobile device.
We got the link to that free masterclass in the description below. Go check it out.
Or check out this QR code.
Thank you for the subs and the likes and the subscribes.
Scan our QR code.